Baby Shark Adventure Time! Hi, my doodling buddies! Grab your pencils and let's begin! One beautiful day in the deep sea, Baby Shark was playing with his friends, Luna and Otto. They decided to go on an exciting adventure, same as always. Baby Shark said, "Let's search for the hidden treasure inside the coral cave." Luna excitedly said, "Wow, I've heard that it's full of shining pearls." Otto nervously said, "But the coral cave is dark. What if we get lost?" Baby Shark smiled and said, "Together we have nothing to fear." They swam toward the cave. The path was filled with colorful shells and tiny glowing fish. But when they reached the entrance, they suddenly heard a sound from inside. Luna said, Is that the sound of a sea monster?" Otto said, "Maybe we should go back." But Baby Shark bravely moved forward, and suddenly, he saw a little crab stuck under a rock. Baby Shark kindly said, "Don't worry, we're gonna help you." Luna and Otto joined in, and together they pushed the rock away. The crab was overjoyed and said, "Thank you. As a gift, take this shining pearl." They happily took the pearl and swam back home, laughing and cheering. That day, they learned that courage and friendship can overcome any fear. Wow, kids, I really like that story. What about you? Tell me. Friendship is the best, isn't it? Are you as brave as Baby Shark? Of course you are, my little artists. You are wonderful. Now let's take a look at this beautiful drawing. What do you see? That's right. In the middle, we have Baby Shark. Baby Shark is really happy. His eyes are round and big. We use circle for drawing those eyes. Next to the Baby Shark, we have his best friend Finn. Finn the fish. Finn looks super happy and excited. I think he's looking at the shiny pearl. We used 2 circles for Finn's eyes, and we drew his happy mouth, then his body and a little tail and fin. He's got 2 little teeth. Kids, your drawing is looking amazing. Next is Luna. She is the prettiest fish. Luna is very happy. We draw her eyes and her body and a beautiful fin. Luna is Baby Shark's best friend too. She is very creative and fun. Good job, my friend. You did an amazing job. I love the way you use your lines. To the left, we see Otto the octopus. Otto the octopus is Baby Shark's best friend, just like Finn and Luna. We use two big circles for his eyes and smaller circles for his cheeks. And then we draw his 6 legs. Now let's make our lines darker and color the eyes black. Yay! It's coloring time! In the center we have Baby Shark. His whole body is bright yellow. Look at Baby Shark's big mouth. Let's color inside red. And his tongue is pink. Don't color his teeth. They're all white. Let's color Otto the octopus. His entire body is green. Yes, the color green. He has 2 adorable white cheeks. Can you find green? Look around. The trees are green. I can even see a green apple. Now let's move on to other friend of Baby Shark, Finn. His whole body is orange, like a bright, happy pumpkin. His fins and tail are also orange. His big, joyful mouth is red inside with tiny little teeth. Excellent job, my friends! Kids, so far, can you tell me what colors did we use? Let's say it together. We used yellow, red, pink, green, and orange. Wonderful! Now let's color Luna the fish. Her body is golden yellow, just like sunshine. So, we can tell that we used the same color for Baby Shark and Luna. They're both yellow. Now let's color Luna's lip red. Yes, red. Her tongue is pink, and inside of her mouth is dark red. Luna has pink fins and a curly pink top fin that looks like a little wave. Wonderful! Now let's pop some bubbles. All around them there are lots of floating bubbles. Yes, blue bubbles. Some are big, some are small, making the ocean look fresh and magical. What a bright and happy day! Let's swim and play together. Excellent job, my friends! I love the way you draw. See you next time. Bye-bye.